Oh, stop scrolling. Today is gonna be different. Fractal antennas, some of the most advanced devices to transmit and receive a very wide band of radio frequencies. They enable the cell phone, and they're behind some of the most advanced sci-fi technology. And this company over here recently patented a very new technology that will allow invisibility. You still with me? Listen to this.
Well, isn't this just intuition? It's not really mathematical knowledge. Africans can't possibly really be using fractal geometry, right? It wasn't invented until the 1970s.
Let me show you what a fractal antenna looks like.
From Tesla's experiments, Marconi's inventions, and Maxwell's equations, fractal antennas are part of a long history of wireless technology where we have stood on the shoulders of giants. And his discovery of a new use for the self-similar, iterated patterns coined fractals by mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot.
Discovered that, much of a surprise to me, that I could actually make the antenna much smaller using the fractal design. Using fractals, experimentally, I came up with a very wideband antenna. The result of that work was a mathematical theorem that showed if you want to get something that works as an antenna over a very wide range of frequencies, it has to be fractal in its shape to make it work. Now, that was an exact solution.
The pioneer of fractal antennas, Nathan Cohen, continued developing fractal technology, inventing fractal tuned circuits and resonators, as the science behind fractal antennas was being corroborated around the world with over 2,000 scientific publications. In 1995, having proven that fractals provided unique advantages in the world of antennas, Cohen founded Fractal Antenna Systems.
When plasma comes into contact with a metal object, a current is created in the metal. This is a basic principle of electromagnetism, and the harmony in the structure of this electromagnetic field can stimulate the body's repair process, or healing.
I saw it, I'm like, oh man, this is sacred geometry right here, and it's ancient as well, right? So, they, back then they just made everything in unison with natural law.
We are vibrational energy, just like everything else around us. The knowledge and wisdom of our ancestors goes way deeper than we are told. Tewahado Crosses are not just beautiful, they are powerful. Their shapes and intricate design is not a coincidence. Our ancestors created them according to sacred geometry, the law of the universe.
Culture is cool.